Electronic Experts gifts worth giving and something great for everyone on your list. Amazing deals on wireless headphones and Bluetooth speakers for the kids. Big screen TVs and home theater systems for the entire family to enjoy. And a full range of brand name kitchen appliances. Talk to our Andres experts and rock your holidays with gifts worth giving. And thank you for shopping local. Your TELUS authorized dealer, a family-run business with 33 locations in BC.
This is a message from the Castlegar District Community Services Society. They are in need of volunteer drivers to help those in our community unable to access public or private transportation. Volunteers to bring them to medical appointments, care centers, and more. Volunteers will learn new skills, network with fellow volunteers and members of the community, and more. All driving and fuel costs are reimbursed. Make a difference in your community today. Email them at info@cdcss.ca or call Michelle at 365-2104. Have you visited Trail's very own craft distillery? Kootenai West Distilling is now ready to serve you, featuring Vale Vodka, Wildflower Pink Gin, and Cold Brew Vodka for yourself or as a unique gift. You can also visit their lounge for exceptional cocktails and simple shareables. Book a private party or get a distillery tour. Open Wednesday to Sunday. You can find them at 1180 Cedar Avenue at Trail. Kootenai West Distilling. Catch the boundary spirit.
Glacier Honda in Castlegar is now taking orders for the all-new 2023 Honda CR-V Hybrid. We will gladly take your trade, and we provide you with a hassle-free, quick quote today. Drop in or check us out online.
Do you remember all the good things that winter brings? Yeah, no, neither do we.
Gotta love winter. On the goat.